Okay, so I wasn't going to do a comparison video. I was just going to review this Magicteam sleep machine, but I feel compelled to review it and compare it to the sleep box that I also got at the same time. The reason why I'm doing this is because they're almost the same price. This one is the Magicteam is $21.99. The sleep box is $23 even. And I had to tell you, this is by far maybe the best sleep machine I've ever used at $23 versus this one. The issue that I have with this one is that it has a built-in timer, but you have to read the manual to find out what these times are. It turns out it was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 hours maybe, or maybe it wasn't. I can't remember, and I shouldn't have to remember because the numbers should be on this display. Also, the reason why I cannot recommend this one when you can get this one is because this one is rechargeable. You don't need to have the power cable plugged in to use this after you charge it up. This one's portable. It is light. You can take it with you on the go. You can do the same with this one, but of course you have to have it plugged in and for it to be effective. With regards to the sound, they both sound very good. I do have to admit, this one does sound good. But why get this when you can get this one that's rechargeable and has numbers on it so you know the times? And it also has a built-in light, a night light. This one has no night light. It has no numbers to tell you what's going on. And even though the build quality is better on this, it's not rechargeable. But I will play the sounds. Let me go ahead and play the sounds real quick so you can hear it. But I really cannot recommend this one over this one. Go with this one. They both sound the same. But let me go ahead and play the sounds for you. Here's the volume. All right, and here's the tracks. And that's it. It has the exact same tracks as the sleep box. That is not different. They both sound identical. I will say that this one has plus and minus buttons separately from the skip tracks, whereas this one has the plus and minus and the skip tracks together combined in just 2 buttons versus 4. But it's easy to do. Just tap it if you want to change the track. Hold the button down if you want to change the volume. Again, the build quality is better, but overall, this is a much better buy if you're looking for a sleep machine. And you can use this one at home, or you can use it in your office. It's the best one I've tried, and I've tried a lot of them. So, but overall, the review is supposed to be for the Magicteam, which is this one right here. But I really can't recommend it when you can get the sleep box. Okay, thank you. I hope this review has been very helpful. By the way, I'm not biased. I'm not one for either of these companies. I'm not being paid or anything like that. I just have an opportunity to review stuff. And so I get stuff that I want, and then I review it. And it just so happens that I got these two machines, and this one is better. Okay, thank you.
Love this product. It's amazing for night sleep. I highly recommend this product. Here you could see there's the power button. Now the lights are on because that's the timer set I put. But you can change the timer. This is continuous, non-stop. I think each light is 1 hour. So 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5-hour timer. Then it stops automatically. This is the volume, the plus and the minus. As you can see, it's pretty loud. And this, you can change the sound. Hold the button to shut off. So as you can see here, it has a lot of sounds, different sounds. I highly recommend it. Thank you.
I'm going to turn this on, and this is the volume that I use it at night, which is also the highest volume that it goes to. Can we all say rest in peace, fan? I haven't been able to part with it yet. Okay, so there. No lights. The timer, 1 hour, 2, so on and so forth. Just on. Fire, love that one.